How to turn off notifications in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn them down. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here on the right top, tap on settings. So now we in this settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. So slowly scroll down. So here there is a section of notification. Simply tap on it, and here you can find different categories to it. So it's up to you. Now simply tap on the one that you want to turn down. So here tap on it and you can easily disable it. So here you can categorize and customize on your viewing. At last you can go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.